Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can organize roles on your Discord server. So it is really simple. All you need to do is go to your server name at the top and then go to server settings and let's open roles. Now over here we have our all roles, and if you want to we can simply organize it by clicking on these dots over here, and then we can drag and drop it any way we want. We can move it below, we can move it above, it's up to you. After that we can press save changes in order to, of course, save the changes. Now we can select any role we want. Let's say I'm gonna click admin, and of course there should be some sort of hierarchy on the server with roles in order to not be confused with which role has more permissions or which is, let's say, stronger or more powerful. Now this means that of course roles like admin, mod, etc., these should be at the top. So I want to drag this one at the top over here, simply to organize it, and this of course affects the members list as well. So for instance, if I have not funny people below over here and I have funny people over here, then on the members list first you will see funny people and then not funny people, as it is in my case, of course. So keep that in mind. And of course you cannot drag a role below everyone, so this should also be remembered. Even if you try, as you can see, it is not possible. So keep that in mind, and as I said, you pretty much want to organize it in terms of permissions, how many permissions or how powerful permissions a certain role have. If funny people have more permissions, they can do a bit more than not funny people, then obviously I want them to be a little bit higher over here in the hierarchy. But nevertheless, it is your server. If you have your own server, then it is up to you, entirely up to you how you want it to be. You don't have to listen to my suggestions, you can organize it how you want it. If you just want to organize it, then this is how you can do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.